And in all of this, the man who has moved the nation with his agitation against corruption, Anna Hazare, keeping a close watch on the proceedings in Parliament. Times Now captured Anna's movements through the day at his hometown in Ralegaon, Siddi. Anna not only stepped up the attack on the government, but also accused it of diverting attention from the sticking points of the bill.
Amidst the political war over Lokpal, the man who moved the nation with his fight against corruption, gearing up for the bigger battle in his own way. At a place where he finds peace most, Anna in prayers, gearing up for the bigger battle. This temple in Ralegaon Siddi is Anna's home, and the villagers throng the temple to meet their leader. As Anna draws the battle line, warning the government of a mass agitation.
अगर सोनिया गांधी को लगता कि मजबूत है, तो आमने सामने बैठो, मीडिया के सामने बैठो और कैसे मजबूत है हमें समझाओ, न तो ये कैसे कमजोर है हम समझाएंगे आपको मीडिया के सामने। देश की जनता ने देखना है कि वो बिल कैसा है, वो सही है गलत है, मीडिया के सामने पूरे देश की जनता को सुनने दो।
Anna's team in the capital sounding the battle cry as the fight now heads for a third phase on the 27th in Mumbai.
Maybe you might be happy with the bill. Our concern is not bits and pieces. We are interested in removing corruption from this country, and this bill seeks to promote corruption in this country.
Which sections you want to have?
Anna making sure that his team's sticking points remain in the public space despite debate in Parliament taking another hue.
अन्ना जी के लोग कोई लोकपाल की जरूरत नहीं है, कोई लोकपाल नहीं।
गरीब लोग जो आज कोई भी दफ्तर में जाते हैं, पैसे दिए बिना काम नहीं होते। जब ये सी और डी गरीब लोगों का संबंध उनके साथ है, अरे अमेरिका में भी करप्शन है, रशिया में करप्शन है, हर देशों में करप्शन है। हमारा करप्शन जो है वो गरीब लोगों के जीवन के साथ जुड़े हुए प्रश्न है, उसके साथ करप्शन है।
At Ralegaon for now, Anna is far away from the political debates in the capital. But his eye is firmly on Delhi, with a promise to start a jail borough agitation in Delhi on the 30th of December. Bureau Report, Times Now.